going to use is a pair of long needle nose pliers. There are a series of these plastic tabs. I'm going to pinch these and push up. And what this is doing is releasing the step pad on the top of the bumper. So when I do this on the outer edge here, across the middle, and down the passenger side. Go ahead and pull out our end cap because we already released all of our tabs. We're going to repeat for the passenger side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and remove our license plate trim and light assemblies. What if we just twist that out? Just going to go ahead and use our pry tool and pop up these caps. Pop our center cap. Now we're working through the middle here, that we have our end caps off. And these are loose. Now that we have our center section loose, go ahead and work that out. And on the back side, you have your harness for your license plate light. Just pop these out. And remove your center section. Using a 12mm socket, a swivel, I'm going to go ahead and remove these bolts. Using a 12mm socket, I'm going to go ahead and remove these two bolts right here. So go ahead and remove these two bolts. Once these are loose, we'll be able to go ahead and remove the bumper. Let's go ahead and take our new bumper, line this up. We're going to go ahead and get a couple bolts in our two first slots right here. You can use the original hardware if you have it. We just happen to have replacement hardware at our leisure, so we're going to go ahead and install new hardware at this time. And come on over to the driver's side. These holes are slotted. So we're just going to go ahead and bump the bumper on over here, install the other two bolts. Once those are in, we're going to go ahead and eyeball the bumper, center it up, and then we'll snug those down. To help us line up the bumper, we have our hitch holes here, and we also have these two bolt holes right here. Go ahead and repeat for the other three. Let's go ahead and install our lower bumper bolts. Once these two are in, go ahead and repeat for the other side. Go ahead and snug these down. Repeat for the other side. Going to install our passenger side rear step pad. There are little plastic clips here that want to go into the notches in the bumper. Once they're lined up, go ahead and press them on in. Once that's done, repeat for the other side. Go ahead and line this up. Feed your license plate lights through. Install the harness in the plastic retainer on the back of the step pad here. All right, go ahead and press this down, lock it into place. We'll go ahead and install your lights. These are marked L and R for left and right. Get that popped into place, and we'll install our screw. And just snug that down. Repeat for the other side. Now I'm just going to pop on our caps for the bumper hitch balls here. Just going to line that up. There are tabs. Snap that into place. And these here, just line those up and pop those in. There are little tabs for these as well. So just line them up. Snap it down.